Welcome to all mechanical engineering students for the engineering drawing lecture for the last unit, that is unit number 6, freehand sketches and conventional representations. Now in the last first semester we have already studied the freehand sketches of some nuts, bolts, the threads, types of threads. Now what is the syllabus of this in your content, that is content of this chapter? Draw the freehand sketches, conventional representations of. First we have to study the welding joints types, various types of welding joints. We will first study the rivet head. What is the rivet and rivet head? And next we will study the riveted joints, that is lap joint, butt joints and their types. We will study the various foundation bolts, that is I foundations and Lewis foundations in your syllabus. Now various types of couplings are used to transfer the power from one shaft to another shafts in your syllabus: muff coupling, protected flange coupling and flexible couplings. Now and the last one is pulley, rope and V-belt, which helps in the transmissions of the power. Now in today's lecture we will study the welding joints. Now what is the welding? Welding is a process of joining two metallic parts together by heating to which state, that is plastic or semi-molten state, with or without application of pressure and filler metal. That is, welding is a process of joining the two metallic part by heating it under the condition of plastic or semi-molten stage and with or without applications of the pressure, and adding the filler materials. Welded joints can be used alternative to riveted joints, while welded structures can be used as an alternative to the casting and forging. This is the permanent joints. Now which are the types of welded joints? Welded joints are basically classified into three categories. First one is butt, second is fillet or lap, and third one is other type of welding. Now before going to the butt welding, I will draw the figure. This is the plate number 1 and this is the plate number 2. Now if I keep this plate number on the table, both the plates are coplanar with respect to each other. So I have to move this plate here and form the joint. Means its front view will be in this fashion. This is the front view. I want to join the two plates, plate number 1 and plate number front view. And its top view will be, this is its top view. This is the front view of two plates. This is the front view and this is the top view. This basic figure we have to understand. Where is the welding? Welding will be takes here in this process. Here the welding takes place here. Whatever the type of welding will be described here. This is the type of, this figure is most important to understand the butt weld. Now in the butt weld, how the plates are placed, placing the plates to be joined side by side. We have seen the side with their edges nearly touching each other. Their edges, they are touching with each other. The small gap is maintained between the edges. Why we are maintaining the small gaps? For the filler material. Now further the types of butt weld: the square butt weld, single V butt weld, single U butt weld, double V butt weld and double U butt weld. Now here are the plate number 1, plate number 2, they are simply placed near, some gap is kept. This is plate number 1 and this is plate number 2, simply some gap is kept between it, and this is its top view. And here the welding process will take place and two plates are joined. Here is a V-bit. Now what is the difference between square? That is, some material, half of the V is removed, some material throughout it half is removed, some material is removed here. This much amount of material is removed and both the plates are brought together by some gap here. This is a single V-butt weld. It is at 60 degree, and here the welding process is seen. This is the front view when the plate is kept on the ground or table. Now single U-butt. Now what is U? That is simply changes the shape. Half U on this plate and half U on these plates. Now double V-butt and double U-butt. What is this name double? When the thickness of the plate is increased, we have to weld on the both the sides, top side and bottom side. That is the double. Now we will see the conditions. Now we will study what they are given. The square butt weld. If the thickness of the plate is less than 5 mm, the edges of the plates do not require beveling. Now here the keyword beveling. Understand the word beveling. Beveling means removal of some type of material. Beveling. Hence, the joints used is known as square butt weld. Now, what is a single V-butt or single U-butt weld? If the thickness of the plate is between 5 mm and 12.5 mm, the edges are beveled. Beveled means we have seen V or U groove. That's the shape is removed, and accordingly single U-butt and single U V-butt weld may be used. What is the plate thickness? 5 to 12.5 mm. Now for the double V-butt and double U-butt, if the thickness of the plate is more than 12.5 mm, it is necessary to bevel and weld the plates from both the sides. In such cases, it is named as double V-butt or double U-butt weld. Now there are another second type, that is fillet or lap weld. The fillet weld or lap weld is obtained by overlapping the plate. Now this is the plate number 1. And this is the plate number 2. It is overlapped on this plate. Both the plates are overlapped on one another. Then welding the edges of the plates as shown. Here the types of fillet or lap weld is given. This is here are 2 plates that are overlapped. This is called parallel fillet weld. That is, parallel means this is the axis of the load and it is parallel to the load axis here. Second one is single transverse fillet weld. It is perpendicular to the axis. This is the arrows that are shown, that is the axis of the load that are perpendicular to the weld. And here double transverse, that is both the sides they have welded on the top side and this is bottom side. Now parallel fillet weld, if the load axis is parallel to the axis of the fillet, it is known as parallel fillet weld. Transverse fillet weld, if the load axis is perpendicular to the axis of fillet, it is known as transverse fillet weld. Now what are the other types of weld? In addition to other types of weld, they have given the corner weld. Here they have given the corner edge weld. There are 2 plates and here both the plates are joined at this edge at one side of the edge. Here T weld. One plate is, both the plates are perpendicular with respect to each other. This is, I will draw the figure here. This is plate number 1 and second plate is here. These are both the plates that are drawing here. This both the plate number 1 and plate number 2. Both the plates are perpendicular to each other and welding is performed at both the edges. So in your syllabus, these are the welded joints and we have to draw one sheet upon this, and I will give you the figure for that to draw the sheet, that is 11 number freehand sketches. Okay, thank you.